In this question, you have to choose the option that represents the correct criterion for DNA fragments movement on agarose gel during gel electrophoresis. Option A, the smaller the fragment size, the farther it moves. Now, during gel electrophoresis, DNA fragments which are negatively charged due to their phosphate backbone move towards the positive electrode, with the smaller fragments moving more easily through the pores of the agarose gel and traveling farther than the larger fragments. Hence, it is the correct option. Option B, positively charged fragments move to farther end. It is incorrect because DNA is negatively charged. Option C, negatively charged fragments do not move. It is also incorrect because, as already stated, the negatively charged DNA fragments move towards the positive electrode during gel electrophoresis. Option D, the larger the fragment size, the farther it moves. It is also incorrect because larger DNA fragments encounter more resistance from the agarose gel matrix, and thus they can move only a shorter distance as compared to the smaller fragments.